Today's highlight shows a Russian FPV drone flying dangerously close to a Ukrainian armed forces soldier. The footage, captured by enemy cameras, shows the soldier under direct observation as the drone maneuvers overhead, demonstrating the precision and daring of modern drone operations on the battlefield. Incredible footage from Russian soldiers' first-person cameras captures intense moments on the battlefield as they engage Ukrainian FPV drones. The video shows the chaos and precision of close encounters, highlighting how soldiers react in real time to fast-moving unmanned aerial threats. It provides a rare, frontline perspective of drone warfare and the challenges posed by modern unmanned systems in combat. The Russian Air Force destroyed Ukrainian armed forces' drone launch pads near Yankovo in the Kharkiv region. These strikes targeted facilities used for deploying drones, aiming to disrupt Ukrainian UAV operations in the area. Don't forget to leave your opinion about the video in the comments. Subscribe and like. Ukrainian infantry spotted a Russian reconnaissance drone overhead and quickly realized they were being observed. The soldiers understood the danger but had little time to react. Before they could relocate or find proper cover, a fiber-optic FPV drone arrived at the position. Within moments, the drone moved in for the strike, and the situation ended in an unavoidable explosion. An attempt by a Ukrainian armed forces soldier to shoot down a Russian reconnaissance UAV in the area of responsibility of the Dnipro Air Force Brigade in the Zaporizhzhia direction ended in failure. Despite opening fire on the drone, the soldier was unable to bring it down, and the UAV continued its surveillance mission over the area. An air defense system located in the village of Perdino in the Kherson region of Ukraine was targeted in an attack using a remotely controlled Garin missile. The strike focused on disabling the air defense position, aiming to weaken the protection of the area and limit the system's ability to intercept incoming aerial threats. Ukrainian infantry noticed the approaching Russian FPV drone too late. By the time they realized the threat, the drone had already moved in for the strike, leaving them little opportunity to react. The explosion followed moments later, catching the soldiers in the blast as the drone completed its attack. Mobile air defense units are protecting the skies over Belgorod. This short video shows the work of mobile air defense teams from the Northern Military District. The units are seen engaging and shooting down enemy UAVs that attempt to strike targets in the Belgorod region. According to reports, these air defense crews respond to drone threats on a daily basis, intercepting unmanned aerial vehicles before they can reach their intended targets.
Без детонации упал. Второй. Без детонации. Работает дрон.
The distance between the drone and the operator is approximately 1 meter. A crew of a MSTB howitzer from the southern group of forces destroyed a camouflaged Ukrainian tank in the Konstantinovka direction using a Krasnopol precision-guided shell, according to the Russian Ministry of Defense.
Орудие!
Выстрел!
Russian GoPro footage captures soldiers clearing a Ukrainian bunker hidden within a forested area in the Kupiansk direction. The video shows troops approaching the concealed position, systematically inspecting and securing the structure while neutralizing any threats inside. In the video, Russian troops open fire on a bunker where Ukrainian soldiers are taking cover. They repeatedly issue calls for the defenders to surrender while maintaining pressure with aimed fire, attempting to force the occupants to abandon their positions. After sustained engagement and multiple warnings, one Ukrainian serviceman inside the bunker became inactive at his position, while another eventually surrendered and exited the structure, being taken into custody by Russian forces. Kupiansk direction. Russian FPV drone operators placed a piece of wood in front of a Ukrainian armed forces drone to bring it down in midair. This method allowed them to protect the frame of their own drone while damaging the wings of the opposing drone. Every day, we see new footage of drones engaging in aerial confrontations. At times, drones are equipped with single-round devices. How else do you think drones could be equipped in the future? A missile strike hit and destroyed a Ukrainian Armed Forces MLRS launcher in the Kharkiv region. The strike was part of a broader wave of attacks on the area, which also included strikes on civilian infrastructure and other targets. Regional authorities reported missile impacts in Kharkiv as part of ongoing hostilities. Ukrainian GoPro footage captures a dramatic battlefield moment as a Ukrainian serviceman films a Canadian-made Rosehell Senator armored vehicle triggering an anti-tank mine. Upon detonation, the vehicle is jolted violently, and the soldier inside reacts quickly, leaping out to avoid injury. Fiber optic drone operators from the 56th Special Forces unit targeted and destroyed a truck carrying an Electrolux washing machine while Ukrainian infantry attempted to withdraw from Paykovsk. The strike demonstrates the precision capabilities of fiber optic drones in engaging mobile targets during active combat operations. A Russian FPV drone carried out a precision strike, spectacularly destroying a Ukrainian MLRS launcher.